guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Rockstar Games Launcher failed to initialize error on Windows. There are a few different solutions you can try, so let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, click Add a Game in the bottom left corner. Select Add a non-Steam game. From the list of applications, try to locate Rockstar Games Launcher. If you don't see it in the list, click Browse. Go to your C drive, open Program Files, scroll down, and open the Rockstar Games folder. Double-click the Launcher folder, then double-click Launcher.exe. Once Rockstar Games Launcher has been added, click Add Selected Programs. Now click Library at the top of Steam. Find Rockstar Games Launcher, right-click it, and select Play. Check to see if the launcher opens correctly. Solution 2. If that didn't work, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Open Settings, then select Apps. Click Installed Apps. Use the search bar and type Rockstar. Click the 3 horizontal dots next to Rockstar Games Launcher and select Uninstall. Click Continue and wait for the launcher to be removed from your system. Once it's uninstalled, open a web browser and search for Rockstar Games Launcher download. Go to the official Rockstar website and click Get Launcher. Select Download for Windows. After the download finishes, open the installer and go through the setup process. When you reach the install location screen, try changing the install directory. This can sometimes fix the issue. Click Continue, finish the installation, and then launch Rockstar Games Launcher to see if the problem is fixed. Solution 3. If the launcher still won't initialize, open the Start menu and search for Services. Open the Services window. Scroll down until you find Program Compatibility Assistance Service. Double-click it. Make sure Startup Type is set to Automatic. Make sure Service Status is set to Running. If it's not running, click Start. Click Apply, then OK. Now try launching Rockstar Games Launcher again. Final notes. After following these steps, the Rockstar Games Launcher should initialize correctly without errors. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments which solution worked for you, and I'll see you in the next one.